Welcome to our channel eTechniz. We will discuss how to fix sleep mode issue in Windows 10. Method 1. Enable sleep mode. Type here, edit power plan. Click open. From here you can change the setting. You will get a screen like this. Change the setting as per your requirement. Method 2. Power options. Do the same thing. This will comes up. Afterwards, click on Change Advanced Power Setting. Here, scroll it down. Click on plus icon. When sharing multimedia, click on plus icon. From here, you have to change the setting. This is the option you will get. On battery, you have to select Allow the computer to sleep. Plugged in, allow the computer to sleep. Method 3. Check programs preventing PC sleep. Type in here CMG, run as administrator, click yes. Here you have to type a command. You can see the information in here. If you'll get any information in here, then change the setting. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.